Hi everyone, welcome back to another Valentine's nail design. We're going to go straight in with 2 coats of gel polish. I'm using I'm No Damsel, which is very pale pink. Once you've done 2 coats and cured those, you want to go in with a top coat, wiping off that sticky layer because the Sharpie will not write on that sticky layer. I've chosen a bright pink Sharpie, and we're just going to hugs and kisses, O's and X's, O's and X's all over the nail. Let that dry for a few minutes, and then you want to top coat that. So another top coat, nice and thick. I'm trying to demonstrate a nice thick blob there, covering the whole nail. So you want it nice and thick so it doesn't drag and smudge the Sharpie. So nice and thick, cover that whole nail right over, and that's it. How quick and simple is that? And it's very cute, very cute. I hope you're all enjoying my Valentine's nails, and I will see you probably tomorrow with another one. See you all later. Bye.